My name's Steve White. I live in Prairie Village, Kansas, and I had PRK done a few months ago. I had actually been looking into this procedure, into laser surgery, for over 10 years. And at the time when I started, I wasn't really comfortable with the doctors I was talking to, the quality of the doctors. So I started looking here in Kansas City early this year, this would have been about 7 months ago. And I discovered Dr. Dury, and I did a lot of research on him and on some other doctors in the area, and I actually met with 3 doctors. I talked to each one of them, and I felt like Dr. Dury was the best one for what I was having done, and I'm very, very pleased with the results. Dr. Dury had the whole package. He's up on the latest technology, he has the latest equipment. He is very thorough when he meets with you, and his staff are also very thorough. My initial consultation with Dr. Dury, I came in and they did some testing in my eyes to make sure I qualified for the procedure. And they told me which procedure I would need, whether that be PRK or LASIK, and it turned out to be PRK. How has my life changed? That is, it'd be hard to tell you how it's changed except to say monumentally. I was trying to think of a word on the way over here. And monumentally would be the word I would come up with, because for starters, I can see the clock radio at night. And for anybody who's worn glasses to the extent that I have, it's so nice to wake up and go, oh, there's the clock radio, there's what time it is. You don't have to squint. You can go out and not have to worry about bringing your sunglasses or forgetting your sunglasses. You can play sports. I play soccer, I run, I swim, go to the beach, and you can do all those things without having to futz around with your glasses. And it's so nice just to be able to pick up and go and not have to worry, you're going from outside to inside, your glasses fog up, or all those other things you get with glasses. So it was really a great decision for me, and it's changed my life in so many ways. It's hard to express that. After having researched both PRK and LASIK, when you're with the right doctor, they're both very safe and effective treatments for vision correction. And I think that your best bet is to do your research and find out about Dr. Dury, find out he's internationally recognized in his field, and talk to his staff and to him and make sure he's the right fit for you. Chances are he will be. What would I say to someone considering vision correction procedure? I would say if you qualify for this type of procedure, you should seriously consider it, because it will change your life in ways for the better that you probably never thought possible or never thought you could enjoy again. I think a good organization is always top down. If there are good people running it at the top, there's going to be good people at every experience you have through the organization. And I mentioned this to Dr. Dury, and he said, well, you know what, I really give my staff the credit because they're such good people. And that guy is so humble and genuine that I couldn't imagine really having gone anywhere else than here. He's a real person, he cares, and is in the very top of his field. One of the best people in the world who does this.